Did you know over 65 billion sausages are consumed worldwide each year? That's enough to circle the Earth 15 times. But have you ever wondered what really goes into making that sizzling sausage on your breakfast plate? Introduction to sausage production. Hello everyone. Today we will explore an incredible journey from vast pig farms to modern factories where billions of tons of sausages are produced every year. Have you ever wondered how the delicious sausages on your table are made? Join us as we delve into the process of raising, caring for, processing, and mass production to see the wonders behind each sausage. From farm to factory, ensuring quality and safety. From pigs raised on state-of-the-art farms to humane slaughter, high-tech processing, and modern packaging, all take place in a closed chain, ensuring quality and food safety. This video not only helps you better understand the food processing industry, but also provides a real-life perspective on how farms operate to provide abundant raw materials for sausage production. Watch until the end to discover the interesting and surprising secrets of how hundreds of pigs can create billions of tons of sausage every year. Large-scale pig farming and care. We will start at large-scale pig farms where hundreds of thousands of pigs are cared for according to scientific processes. Here, pigs are fed a nutritious diet and regularly checked for health to ensure they grow best. Today's modern farms apply high technology such as automatic feeding systems, barn temperature control, and health monitoring using artificial intelligence, helping to optimize livestock performance. Pigs that meet the standards after many months of care will be transported to processing plants. The transportation process is strictly controlled to ensure that the pigs are not stressed, helping to keep the meat quality at the highest level. Humane slaughter and meat preparation. At the factory, pigs are slaughtered humanely following strict food safety standards. After slaughter, the pork is grated, cleaned of tendons and fat to prepare for sausage production. The best cuts of meat, shoulder, rump, and loin, are selected to make sausage. The meat is then ground and mixed with special spices such as pepper, garlic, salt, MSG, etc. to create a unique flavor. Automated sausage production process. Today's sausage production process is fully automated with high precision. The minced meat mixture is stuffed into a collagen or natural casing, then put into a steamer to shape and cook. The smoking or boiling process helps create the characteristic flavor of the sausage. Once completed, the sausage will be quickly cooled and vacuum-packed, helping to keep the fresh flavor longer. Global distribution and consumption. The packaged sausages are shipped to supermarkets, restaurants, and exported around the world. This is one of the most popular dishes globally and can be prepared in many different ways, such as fried, grilled, boiled, or used as an ingredient in other dishes. Innovation in the sausage industry. With increasing demand, the sausage processing industry continues to innovate and develop, applying biotechnology and artificial intelligence to improve product quality. New trends such as organic sausages, preservative-free sausages, or vegetarian sausages are also gradually dominating the market, meeting the diverse needs of consumers. The role of pig farming in global food supply. Pig farming is not only a major source of food for billions of people around the world, but also plays an important role in the agricultural economies of many countries. Modern, large-scale pig farms today can raise hundreds of thousands of pigs at the same time, applying advanced technology to optimize the breeding process and ensure meat quality. Newborn piglets will receive special care to grow healthy. They are breastfed for the first weeks, then weaned and switched to a nutritious diet to grow rapidly. Artificial intelligence and technology in modern pig farming. Modern farms use health monitoring systems using artificial intelligence, which help control the temperature, humidity, and diet of each pig. This helps minimize disease, optimize weight gain, and most importantly, ensure the quality of meat when processed. Pigs are raised for about 5 to 6 months, reaching a weight of 100 to 120 kilograms before being sold and transported to processing plants. Processing plant, hygiene and meat selection. After the pigs are brought to the processing plant, the slaughtering process takes place in a completely sterile environment and follows strict hygiene standards. Not all pork is used to make sausages. Only the leanest parts with fewer tendons and fat, such as shoulder, loin, and rump, are selected to ensure the deliciousness and perfect texture of the sausage. Meat grinding and spice mixing. The meat, after being filtered, will be quickly frozen to keep it fresh. Then it will be put into the next processing step. The meat mixture is ground with a certain ratio of lean meat and fat, helping the sausage to be chewy and not dry. Then it is mixed with spices such as salt, pepper, garlic, sugar, MSG, and many other secret ingredients depending on each brand's own recipe. Types of sausages and their flavors. There are special types of sausages such as smoked sausages, spicy sausages, cheese sausages, beef sausages, pork sausages, etc., all of which are due to the process of mixing different spices. Stuffing and cooking the sausages. After mixing, the meat mixture is put into the extruder to be stuffed into the sausage casing. Popular types of casings today include natural casing made from the small intestine of animals, giving the sausage a natural crunch, and collagen casing made from gelatin, durable and popular in large-scale industrial production. After stuffing, the sausage will be steamed or smoked to cook. Automation and quality control in production. Current sausage production lines are fully automated, helping to produce millions of sausages every day. The factory is equipped with a temperature, pressure, and humidity monitoring system, helping to strictly control each stage in the production process. Smart sensors are used to detect any errors during the processing, helping to ensure the highest quality product. Cooling, packaging, and final inspection. After cooking, the sausages are put into a rapid cooling system to maintain freshness, then vacuum-packed or nitrogen-filled for longer preservation. The final product is inspected for quality one last time before being distributed to consumers. Global sausage market and popular varieties. In the global sausage market, popular products around the world, sausages are not only popular in Europe and the US, but also in Asia, especially Japan, Korea, China, and Vietnam. Major brands such as Johnsonville, USA, Oscar Mayer, USA, Herta, France, CP Foods, Thailand, and Visan, Vietnam, all have their own unique sausage lines suitable for the tastes of each market. Cultural variations of sausages. German sausages, Bratwurst, Frankfurter Thüringer, traditional German smoked sausages are rich in flavor and often served with bread. Italian sausages, salami, pepperoni, are made from fermented meat, spicy, and often used in pizza. Japanese sausages, arabiki sausage, are small sausages with crispy casing, popular in Japanese breakfasts. Vietnamese sausages are made from pork or beef, sweet and chewy, and often with cheese or corn. Health trends and future of sausages. With the constant development of the food industry, sausages are increasingly having new variations to meet consumer tastes. More and more people are concerned about health, so organic sausages, no preservatives, no colorants, are gradually becoming a trend. Vegan sausages and sustainable production. Made from soy, wheat, and other plant-based ingredients, vegan sausages are increasingly popular with vegetarians and vegans. The combination of AI, robotics, and blockchain technology helps track product origins, ensure food safety, and optimize production processes. Conclusion: the journey of sausage production. The journey from pig farms to sausage production lines is a painstaking process that requires a combination of efforts between agriculture, technology, and food science. Thanks to constant innovation, today we can enjoy delicious, high-quality sausages at reasonable prices. Hope this video helps you understand the sausage industry better. If you find the video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to continue watching other interesting content. Modern dairy farming and milk production. On modern dairy farms, millions of dairy cows are raised and cared for in optimal conditions to ensure the highest milk production. These farms can span thousands of hectares with scientifically designed barn systems that help cows live in the most comfortable environment. Nutrition and health monitoring of dairy cows. Dairy cows on farms are raised on special diets, including nutritious rations, reasonable milking schedules, and close health monitoring. The diet of dairy cows plays an important role in determining the quality of milk. So nutritionists often design rations that include fresh grass, hay, corn, soybeans, and essential minerals to help cows have enough energy to produce milk every day. Automated milking systems. Dairy cows are usually milked 2 to 3 times a day using automatic milking systems. When it is time to milk, the cows will automatically move to the milking area where modern machinery ensures the process is gentle, causing no pain or discomfort to the cows. How milking machines work. The automatic milking system operates based on the principle of simulating the suckling motion of a calf, helping the milk flow naturally without damaging the cow's mammary glands. This process takes place quickly, only within 5 to 10 minutes each time, and each cow can produce from 20 to 30 liters of milk per day, depending on the breed and care regimen. Hygiene and storage of fresh milk. After milking, the milk will be transferred immediately to cold tanks to be stored at a temperature of about 4 degrees Celsius to prevent the growth of bacteria. The closed milk pipeline system helps ensure absolute hygiene, not letting the milk come into contact with air or outside impurities. Milk from the farm will then be transported by tank to processing plants for further processing and production into many different types of products such as fresh milk, yogurt, butter, and cheese. Milk processing and pasteurization. At the milk processing plant, fresh milk will undergo many strict inspection steps to ensure that there are no bacteria or impurities that affect the quality of the product. One of the most important steps is pasteurization, in which milk is heated to about 72 degrees Celsius for a few seconds, then cooled quickly to kill harmful bacteria while still preserving the natural flavor and nutritional value of the milk. From milk to cheese, the production process. One of the most popular products from milk is cheese. The cheese production process begins with the addition of rennet or lactic acid bacteria to the milk to create coagulation. Once the milk has coagulated, it is cut into small pieces to separate the watery part, called whey, from the hard part, called curd. Aging and types of cheese. The curd is then pressed into blocks and aged for a certain period of time to develop its characteristic flavor. Depending on the type of cheese, the aging period can last from several weeks to several years. Famous cheeses in the world such as cheddar, parmesan, mozzarella, or camembert all have different production processes and aging times, creating a unique flavor and texture. Cheese in global cuisine and nutrition. Cheese is not only a nutritious food, but also widely used in global cuisine, from pizza covered with chewy mozzarella, pasta sprinkled with fragrant parmesan, to fatty cheese sandwiches. Cheese has become an indispensable part of many delicious dishes around the world. In addition, cheese is also a source of protein, calcium, and important vitamins, helping to strengthen bones and muscles. Artificial intelligence and robotics in dairy farming. Returning to dairy farms, modern technology today has helped optimize milk productivity and quality. Many farms apply AI technology to monitor the health of each cow through smart collars, helping to detect early signs of illness or stress in cows. In addition, some farms also use robots to automatically clean barns, ensuring a clean and comfortable living environment for the cows. Sustainability in dairy industry. These advances not only help improve animal welfare, but also improve milk quality, providing safe and nutritious products for consumers. In addition, the dairy industry is also aiming for sustainable development by minimizing its impact on the environment. Renewable energy and eco-friendly practices. Some dairy farms use renewable energy such as solar power and biogas from cow manure to operate milking systems and process cow feed. Recycling water and using sustainable farming methods to grow animal feed also help reduce carbon emissions, contributing to environmental protection. Leading milk-producing countries and brands. In the world, countries such as the United States, New Zealand, the Netherlands, and Germany are the leading milk-producing countries, with millions of dairy cows providing an abundant source of fresh milk for the domestic market and for export. Dairy industry in Vietnam. Internationally famous milk brands such as Nestlé, Fonterra, Arla, and Lactalis have built modern farm and factory systems, ensuring product quality meets the highest standards. In Vietnam, the dairy industry is also growing strongly with the investment of large companies such as Vinamilk, TH True Milk, and Mock Chow Milk. Organic and fresh milk trends. Large-scale dairy farms with tens of thousands of cows have helped increase domestic milk production, meeting the growing consumer demand of the people. In particular, organic milk and fresh milk products are increasingly popular thanks to their health benefits and superior quality. Conclusion: the dairy production journey. It can be seen that from dairy farms to the processing of milk and cheese is a long and elaborate journey combining science, technology, and the dedication of those working in the industry. Thanks to the continuous development, today we can easily access high-quality, nutritious, and safe dairy products. Future of dairy: innovation and sustainability. In the future, the dairy industry will continue to innovate and move towards more sustainable solutions, bringing the best products for human health and environmental protection. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to continue watching other interesting content.